Hey guys, so today I'm going to demo the Cosco, and that does not have a T in it like Costco, foldable step. I bought several other models off Amazon. All the other models that I found had the actual handle built into the step, so whenever it folded down, the handle was inside this, and so it had to have an opening there, and it was always prone to failure. Steph weighs 105 pounds, and even she broke it when it claims it's supposed to hold 300. So this one just came in. We've messed with it for a little bit and actually like it, so I thought I'd show people what it is, and then I'll put a link in there in case anybody else is wanting one. A lot of people with these cargo trailers are looking for a different way instead of putting an actual step on there. Some people like the stealth capability, so welding on a step on the side of a cargo kind of defeats it. So anyways, once you do this on both sides, give me for a second, we're gonna get down, and you can see it just folds in there, folds in there, and then you just flip it over. That's it. This one too, I believe, claims to hold 300 pounds, but unlike the others, like I said, it was prone to fail with that handle being folded up into here. I mean, this is as sturdy as anything could be. So, just looking to see what it says. It says indoor use only. Don't really understand what difference it would make. I mean, obviously at night, fold it up, put it inside your camper. But this can be used with anything around the house. I was thinking about getting another one for her since she's only 5 foot. So, but thought I'd share this with you guys. Please let me know if you got any questions or comments. And we'll see you guys shortly.